Right, wait, what was that voice crack? Hang on. Oh, for fuck! Ignore that voice crack for 1 minute, and it's like it's bothering like oh, for fuck! Okay, take 3 or whatever the fuck that was. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to what I was doing. Actually, you know what? Let's check my YouTube channel before I do anything. Let's see, hang on a second. YouTube. Okay, here you are. YouTube channel, and holy shit! Holy shit! Right, what can I use for the exhibit? Holy shit, how did this get here? Well, what can I steal from this layout that I could use for the exhibition?